Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a closet island look for a fraction of the price. A closet island is always something that I've wanted, and when I moved into my house, I knew it was something that I wanted to incorporate into my dressing room / closet. So once I started researching how much those closet islands actually cost, I was amazed. We're talking like $3,000 for a closet island. But I started doing a little bit more research and found online that there were other ways that you could create a closet island to get the same look, the same efficiency and storage as if you were paying $3,000 for a closet island. So I'm going to show you in today's video how you can achieve that same look and storage by using Ikea materials, glass from a local glass place, and car tint. Yes, you heard it, car tint. What I'm going to be showing you is the closet island look put together. This is something that I've had now for a few years, so it is already put together. So I'm just going to walk you through the materials that I had to purchase and how the look came together. Alright guys, if you liked this video, make sure you leave a like, make sure you leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts on the video. Also, if you want to see more, don't forget, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!